You see, the Hurriyat leaders have been playing games for a long time. For a pretty long time, some people were talking of independence. Some people were talking of talks to the government of India. Some people were talking of Pakistan. But just before the Burhan Wani incident, Pakistan told all of them either to get on the same platform or face the fate of Maulvi Farooq and Abdul Ghani Loan. So therefore, they are now on what is now described as the resistance leadership. The government of India has withdrawn security. That is one aspect of it. Actually, there are two aspects of this situation. One is the security, and second is the other perks and privileges provided to them.